Hello, good afternoon. Today I want to introduce to Juan Pablo Suaza Arroyave. He is my eldest son. He is 21 years old. He was born on May 15 of 2001 in the municipality of Rio Negro, Antioquia. He is single. He studies economics at the University of Antioquia. My son is 170 tall. He weighs 65 kilograms. My son has frizzy, chocolate-colored hair. His eyes are brown and large. Within his personality, my son is characterized being analytical, critical, a little stubborn, cheerful, and very human with others. For me, my son is my great pride because he is very intelligent and wise. He is my company and his tone is very mature despite being so young. My son is a being that transmits light and love. He is one of the most beautiful gifts that life has given me. I will always support him and take care of him until the last day of my life and beyond that.